Hello and welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to block phone numbers and manage your blocked number list right from the Yak Chat admin portal. To get started, open the admin portal and navigate to the Restrictions tab. There you'll find the Blocked Numbers tile. Click Manage to open your list of currently blocked numbers. To block a new number, simply click the Add Number button and type in the number you'd like to block. Need to block multiple numbers at once? No problem. Just separate each number with a comma. To quickly find blocked numbers, use the search bar to look up a specific one. Or use the Add Filter option and select Blocked Date to filter numbers by the date they were added. If you want to unblock someone, just click on the number in your list and select Delete. This will allow that contact to reach out to you again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update on Yak Chat features and tips.